Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Credit is like your financial reputation. It shows lenders how trustworthy you are when borrowing money. Think of it like a school's grade. If you have good grades, you can join activities and access resources easily. Likewise, if your credit score is high, banks feel more comfortable lending you money. No credit means you have no grades to show, which makes it tough to get loans. Banks see you as risky without a history of reliable payments. But don't worry, there are ways to get financing even if you have no credit. Just like building a skill from scratch, you can start small and work your way up. Learning how to finance a car without credit is like learning to ride a bike. Just because you're starting from the beginning doesn't mean you will fail. With some guidance, patience, and effort, you can navigate through the car financing process successfully. Before you even think about financing a car, you need to know your budget. It's like planning a trip. If you don't know how much money you have for gas, food, and lodging, you could end up stranded. First, figure out how much you can afford to spend monthly on a car payment. Add insurance, fuel, and maintenance costs. Use a simple rule. Stick to no more than 15% of your monthly income for your car payment. If you earn $3,000, your payment should be about $450. This way, you won't stretch your finances too thin. Think about it like buying groceries. If you overspend on food, you won't have enough for other essentials. Knowing your limits helps you avoid debt later. Once you understand your budget, you'll feel empowered. Just like packing strategically for a journey, it sets the stage for smart car financing decisions. Now that you know your budget, it's time to search for lenders who can help you. Traditional banks may hesitate to lend to someone with no credit, but don't fret. There are alternative lenders. Think of them like different restaurants. Some focus on fine dining, while others serve fast food. Each lender has its own specialty. Research credit unions, online lenders, or dealerships that offer in-house financing. They tend to be more flexible, just like a casual diner can cater to special food requests. Read reviews and ask friends or family for recommendations too. You want to feel comfortable, like dining at a favorite local spot. Compare interest rates, terms, and customer service. This is crucial. You wouldn't choose a restaurant that gets poor reviews. Similarly, you want a lender who treats you well. Finding the right lender can often lead to better financing options for your new car. Sometimes, you may need a bit of extra help while financing a car with no credit. This is where a cosigner comes in. A cosigner is a person who agrees to take responsibility for the loan if you can't make payments. Think of it as having a buddy system while learning to swim. Your friend helps keep you afloat until you're confident. Choose someone with good credit, like a family member or trusted friend. Their solid credit history can improve your chances of getting approved and lower your interest rates. Remember, this is a serious commitment for your cosigner, so discuss everything openly. Make a plan to ensure you can make payments on time. It's like promising to share the ice cream sundae you just bought. Both parties need to be responsible. Together, you can navigate this process more easily. When you're financing a car with no credit, it's smart to start small. Just like learning to play an instrument, beginning with simple songs builds your confidence. Consider a less expensive used car instead of a brand new model. Smaller loans are often easier to manage. Plus, a more affordable car means lower monthly payments. This is key to ensuring you don't stretch your budget too thin. Visit various dealerships to compare their prices. Ask about the car's history, ensuring everything checks out. Building a good payment history on a smaller loan sets you up for future success. Once you prove you can manage those payments well, you'll likely qualify for larger loans later, just like moving on to more complex songs as your skills improve. Starting small is a smart first step toward financial growth. Saving up for a down payment is like preparing for a big event. You need time and effort to do it right. A down payment reduces the amount you need to borrow, making your loan more manageable. It also shows lenders that you're serious about getting the car. Aim for at least 10 to 20% of the car's price as a down payment. For example, if your car costs $15,000, saving $1,500 to $3,000 up front can make a difference. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients to make it rise beautifully. By saving consistently, even small amounts, you demonstrate responsibility. Plus, the more you save, the less you'll owe when the loan starts. This boosts your chance of approval and helps lower monthly payments. It takes time, but every dollar counts in building your financial future. Once you've chosen a car and decided on financing, don't forget about insurance. It's a vital part of the process. Think of car insurance as a safety net, similar to a helmet while riding a bike. It protects you and your investment. Start by getting quotes from multiple insurance companies. Prices can vary widely, so shopping around is wise. Each company offers different policies, just like stores offer various brands of cereal. Look for coverage that meets your needs at an affordable price. Sometimes, bundling insurance policies can save you money too. It's essential to factor in insurance costs when creating your budget, as these will be recurring monthly expenses, just like rent and utilities. Ensuring you're insured is crucial to driving confidently onto the road. When applying for car financing, having the right documents ready is essential. Think of this as preparing for a major exam. You wouldn't walk into the room without your study materials, right? Gather everything, like proof of income, employment, and residency. This paperwork shows lenders you're reliable, even without credit. Common documents include pay stubs from your job, bank statements, and personal identification. Make sure they're recent and organized. This can speed up the application process. Show lenders that you're a responsible applicant, just like a student showcasing their best work. By presenting clear documentation, you build trust with potential lenders, who will feel more comfortable approving your application. It's all about making a positive impression. Once you've financed your car, maintaining good financial habits is crucial. This is like caring for a new plant. It needs regular attention to thrive. Continue budgeting so you know where your money goes. Make payments on time each month. This helps build your credit score and establishes a positive payment history. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees. It's like watering your plant regularly. Focus on saving more for future purchases and track any expenses linked to the car. As your credit score improves, you'll unlock better financing options down the road. It takes patience and discipline. By sticking to these habits, you'll create a solid financial foundation and eventually raise your credit score, opening doors to even more opportunities for you in the future. Now that you've learned how to finance a car with no credit, it's time to take action. Remember, every journey starts with the first step. Start by setting your budget and exploring alternative lenders that offer flexible options. Consider enlisting a trustworthy cosigner to strengthen your application. Don't forget to save for a down payment and shop around for insurance. Document everything carefully and adopt good financial habits to maintain your car and credit score. Each action you take is like planting seeds for future financial growth. Celebrate your successes and strive to improve your credit over time. You can do this. So go ahead, start your car financing journey today and drive into a brighter financial future. Remember, every great adventure begins with a single step. Hit that subscribe button for more useful tips. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.